As more companies see the value in learning the Net Promoter Score, Qualaroo makes it easier than ever to not just collect this score, but understand why people give you the ratings that they do. In this video, we'll cover 4 different recommended targeting strategies for getting the highest quality feedback with our NPS survey. If you're on a professional or enterprise plan, you'll see the option to create an NPS survey from your dashboard. Make sure to add your company's name as well as brand it with your logo and colors. If your site doesn't have a login section or has no e-commerce portion, it can be tricky to target the correct group. Remember, when it comes to the NPS question, would you recommend us to a friend or colleague, getting valid and useful information means that that person has had enough time to form an opinion about your brand. To get as close to the group as we need to, select the Came Directly to Your Site option and combine it with returning visitors. You can go a step further and delay the survey by several pages as well. Essentially, what we're doing with the targeting is ensuring that only people who have spent a reasonable amount of time on your site, know your brand enough to come directly there, and have come back after a period of time will see the survey. If you're an e-commerce site, the best place to target your NPS survey is the order confirmation page. This group has always tended to have the highest response rate to surveys, so it's likely that you'll not only see great engagement by targeting this page, but quality feedback from those who just made a purchase. If you're a SaaS business, the best group to target are those who are on a paying plan. You can do this a number of ways. You could mirror our e-commerce example and focus on the order confirmation page when someone upgrades from a trial account to a paying customer. However, the tactic that we've found works best is to target the user dashboard. To do this, focus on the portion of your site or application that people tend to visit the most. You'll also want to make use of our identity API and target those who are logged in. This ensures that the survey taker's identity, like their email address, is attached to their survey response. If you're on our enterprise plan, you could go a step further and use our API to differentiate between your trial users and those on paying accounts. This ensures that only those who have upgraded will see the survey. Finally, let's talk about the best way to survey mobile site visitors. You'll then want to select the Mobile Survey option when creating a new survey. You'll want to select the NPS scale answer type from the answer options within the editor, then enter the NPS question. Depending on your site, you want to try and mirror the desktop version of your NPS survey as much as possible. After you start getting responses, we give you a great dashboard to view your score and the feedback that people left. I hope these ideas help put you on the correct path to uncovering valuable insights about your customers. And if you ever get stuck, the customer success team is here to help. We can be reached at support@qualaroo.com. Thanks and happy surveying!